Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about bitwise operators in Python, right? We will discuss about bitwise operators in Python. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. The first one we are having is AND operator, and bitwise operator. So the operation sets each bit to 1. If both corresponding bits are 1, then it is 1, right? For example, we are having x is equal to 5, right? We are having x is equal to 5. And what is the binary value for 5? 0, 1 and 0, 1. So how can you write this binary value? For example, 2 power 0 is 2 power 0 is 2 power 0 is 1, right? 2 power 0 is 1. So this is the 2 power 0. This is the 2 power 0, right? So this is the 2 power 0 I am taking as 1, right? And after that 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 1, right? And after that 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 2 is 4. So it is the 2 power 4, right? So wherever I am taking 1, right? I am calculating this 5, right? See, it's 2 power 2, it's 4, and 2 power 0 is 1. So 4 plus 1, it's 5. So at last, I have to get 5. I have to get 5. So wherever my condition satisfied, like wherever I got 5 by adding this ones. For example, here 2 power 0 is 1, right? So that's why I'm writing 1. I want 1. And after the 2 power 2 is 4. So I'm taking 1 because 2 power 2 is 4 and 2 power 0 is 1. So 4 plus 1, it's 5, right? So in that manner, I have to take ones and zeros, right? I hope you understand, right? In this manner, I have taken 0, 1, 0, 1, and I'm taken y is equal to 3, right? So how? It's 2 power 0 is 1 and 2 power 2 is 2. Sorry, 2 power 1 is 2. It's 2 power 0 is 1 and 2 power 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. See, y is equal to 3. So in this way, we have taken the bitwise operators. So how can you get the AND condition? So in the result variable, what I have written, x and y. So whenever you get 1 and 1, then you'll get 1, right? See, I'm get 1, right? And after that, whenever you get 0, 1 or 1, 0, 0, 0, you'll get zeros, right? Right? So whenever you get 1 and 1, then only you get 1. So here I am getting the 1, which means 2 power 0, right? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So here I got 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 is 1. So the result is 1. Result is 1. See, let's click on F5 and click on OK. Just I will print the result. Print result. Right? Save it and click on F5. See, we got 1. We got 1, which is 2 power 0 is 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 0 is 1. Right? I hope you understand. That's why I'm getting the 0. I'm getting 0. Sorry, I'm getting 1. I'm getting 1. It's 2 power 0. It's 1. So that's why I'm getting 1. So this is what AND operator and bitwise operator. And the second one is OR operator. Sets each bit to 1 if one of the two corresponding bits is 1. That means x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. We know that we know how to do the binary formation. And in the OR condition, when you get 1 and 1, you will get 1. 0 and 1, you will get 1. 1 and 0, you will get 1. And 0 and 0, you will get 0. So if you find any ones, then you'll get 1. So by adding, so 2 power 0 is, the first one is 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. And 2 power 1 is 2, it's 3. And 2 power 2 is 4, right? 4 plus 2 plus 1, which means 7, right? Which means 7. This is the output, 7, right? See, I will print it. Print. I will just remove this, right? I will just print result. See, we got 7. We got 7. We got 7, right? So this is what? OR operator. And we are having XOR. So XOR is sets each bit to 1 if only one of the two corresponding bits is 1. For example, we are having 5 and we are having 3, right? So XOR will do 1 and 1 will get 0, right? When you find both the values, but both the values are same, then you'll get 0, and both the values are different, we'll get 1. That's it. XOR means both are same, you'll get 0. Both are not same, then you'll get 1. That's it. Right? So then you have to calculate it. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4. It's right. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 4, 2 power 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Right? I will just remove this and I will print the result. Right? And click on F5. See, we got 6. We got 6, right? Easy, right? And we are having not operator. So it's invert all the bits, right? We are having x is equal to 5, right? For example, if you do not x, not x, so what you will get? See, what is the binary operator? It is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, right? So it's reverse 0, 1, 0, 1. What not operation will do? If, for example, if you have 0 here, you will be having 1. If you have 1 here, you will be having 0. And 0, 1, 1, 0. So in this way, you'll be having, right? See, I'll print it. It's just reversing the binary values and calculating the result. That's it, simple. See, we got minus 6. We got minus 6, right? I hope you understand, right? We have to just calculate it, and we have to reverse the sign also. We have to reverse the sign also, right? Here we will get 6, right? 6, and sorry, here we will get 2 power 0 is 1 and 2 power 2 is 4. It's 5. Okay. Now here we will reverse the binary values. See, 0, 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 power 2 is 4. So it's 6, and here it's having plus, and here we have to reverse the sign also. And we have reversed the sign, and that's why it is minus 6, right? That's why we are having minus 6. So this is what not operator, and fifth one is 0 fill left shift, right? 0 fill left shift. Shifts bits to the left, pushing zeros in front from the right, right? For example, we are having x is equal to 5, and I will shift left side two values, right? 2 digits, right? So what you will get, you'll be having 1 0 1 0 0, right? 1 0 1 0 0, right? So I hope you understand. See, we are having 1 0 1, right? And we have shifted the zeros to the left side, right? 0 0, right? So that's after shifting the two zeros, we have to calculate the values and we have to just print it, right? I'll just print the result, or I can copy here and I will paste it like this. So we got 20. We got 20, right? and we are having the right shift, the same. So, but we have to shift in the right side, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, right? 0, 0, 0, 1. And we have to calculate the binary values. Like after shifting, we got the 0, 0, 0, 1, and 2 4 0 is 1, right? We will get 1. See, save it and click on F5 and we get 1. See, we got 1, right? In this way, we can do the bitwise operators in Python, right? So on the left side, we have added 2 zeros, and in the right side, we have added 2 zeros, right? We have to shift it. We have to shift it. So I hope you understand this bitwise operators, and if you have any doubts in this, just please comment in the chat and I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.